Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all okay and good condition. Welcome to Microsoft Access online class. This course is for the first time we are about to study Microsoft Access right now. So this course is a little bit different, than previous, programs that we studied like Excel, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint. It's a little bit different. There are some key terminology that you will hear, during this discussion, like database, like forms, like queries, like tables. All of that we will discuss through the semester. We will create the forms, we will create the queries, we will create tables, we will create databases. So right now I will teach you how we can open the program for the first time. We can click start menu, and then the program is here. You can double click it here, or you can click the desktop shortcut. You can double click this one, or you can create in the taskbar. You can create another shortcut in the taskbar. Alright, right now I'm gonna drag this one all the way to the taskbar, and it will bring to my taskbar. You can see now it's being it to my taskbar. Right now I'm double clicking this one. The Microsoft Access is it's already open right now. So we have a blank database, we have asset tracking database. These are pre-built databases, prepared by Microsoft team or Microsoft. They prepared all these databases. They are ready to use. Contactees, asset tracking, contactees, student, event management, task management, even much more. We have so many pre-built template databases. Okay, personal contact manager, inventory, time, everything. But our focus is not about pre-built database. It's about to create our own database, and to do that you can create this button right here, blank database. I'm gonna double click this one. As you can see here, you can give a name to your database. Okay, right now I'm about to give a name to this database, DB DBMS1. The location, it will save automatically C drive user style documents. So you will find later on documents. But if you're not satisfied with my documents, or if you want to save a different location in your computer, you can click this button. Then you can create C or downloads or your desktop or this PC, like the hard drive. Okay, you might have C or data, E, whatever. Your preferred location, you can save it anywhere. All right, so now we will say create. Okay, we will say create. Okay, as you can see, now there's a table 1 is automatically displayed. Okay, now it's suggesting us to create a table. So in previous programs like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, MS PowerPoint, they share something in common. Okay, ribbons, the ribbons, and little bit different. This Microsoft Access is a little bit different, than previous programs. So we have a file here. This file will help you a number of things, to save as, to bring, to close, to open, to create a new database, to go home. And right now I'm gonna say go back. So we have a home here and home ribbon. Now some of the features, they are not active because of we did not create a table yet. So the next ribbon is create. create. The next table is create. Okay, table design, SharePoint, query wizard, query design, form design, blank form, navigation is, you know, all of that. Okay, so we have a toolbar here. Okay, the toolbar is the ribbons. Okay, the toolbar is, you know, the file. Okay, dbms1 database, you know, the location and everything. Okay, and right now, if you want to create a table, here is where you can create the table. Okay, we have to give an ID. ID is a very important. Okay, when you create a table in Microsoft Access, you know, the ID is a primary key. Okay, what can make we will discuss later on what the primary key is, but right now, let's say for example, stud ID. Okay, let's say right now 001. Okay, it will generate the numbers by itself. Okay, let's say design. Okay, just a minute. Okay, view. Okay, you're gonna click here. Okay, datasheet design view. Okay, we're gonna say table 1 is fine. Table 1 is fine. Okay, so here we have ID, auto number. Okay, so let's say student name. Okay, this is, you know, where you can create, you know, the fields and the columns of your table. So we're gonna say student name. Okay, so the data type will be short text or long text. You know, every column, every field has its data type. Okay, right now here we have an ID, and then the program will generate the number by itself. Okay, it will generate by itself. Okay, let's try it right now. Okay, do you want to say first? Yes. Okay, so I don't have to write the name. Okay, I don't have to write the ID number or the number. All right, it will generate by itself. Okay, let's say Ali. All right, you see it gives automatically number 1, and the second one is Zahra. Okay, again it will give number 2 automatically. Okay, Omar will be, okay, tab. Omar will be number 3 automatically. I'm not writing the numbers here. The program is writing the numbers. All right, so this is a sample. You know, table, and if you want to modify, you know, this table or extend, you know, this is the column number 1 is ID, column number 2 is the student name. If you want to add some more, you can go view and then design view and then you can add, you know, here then you can add here, you know, another stuff like, you know, address. Okay, and then address, you know, it has to be a long text. Okay, this is the data types. Okay, and each column you have to give an appropriate data type. Okay, now I'm talking about address. I cannot give a date and time, I cannot give auto number, I cannot give yes or no, but I have to give a long text. Okay, if I'm talking about a phone number, I have to give the, you know, the appropriate data type I'm supposed to give. This one is a number. I cannot give a text. Okay, but the best data type that I can give is a number. Alright, and then you can save, you know, always. Alright, that's all for today. We will proceed from here from the coming weeks or the coming sessions. If you have any question or if you have any suggestion, you can share with me later on. Thank you very much. See you next time.